Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making some old-fashioned chicken noodle soup. Um, as you can see right in front of me though, I just recently taken out the chicken that we're going to be utilizing for our soup. I did have these chicken breasts marinated overnight. That it The sauce and seasonings that were utilized to marinate this chicken was a Thousand Island dressing, Cajun seasoning, a little garlic powder, and sea salt. So now that we're here, this initial stage here, I just pulled everything out of the oven, and I've actually had the chicken breast slightly baking for about 250, well, on 250 for about almost 2 hours now. What we're going to do now, as you see here, I have my chicken broth currently boiling in the pot. We're going to go ahead and shred up our chicken. Well, actually, we might not even have to shred it up. We're going to go ahead and pop our chicken in the pan and let that start to create the juices we're looking for our soup. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pop our chicken breast in the chicken broth, and we're going to add our vegetables, which we have carrots, celery, and onions, and garlic cloves, and we're going to allow that to simmer in.